1. Currently, I have the opportunity to present to you an exciting chance to acquire a unique 1968 Chevrolet Chevelle, available for purchase at $28,500. This splendid car, featuring a manual transmission, stands out with a stylish blue exterior and black interior. This 1968 Chevelle is a genuine supersport and can be yours right now. The car comes with a clean title, and it's fully paid off. It is powered by a robust large displacement engine that sounds amazing and performs even better. The 4-speed transmission ensures maximum dynamics and control. Equipped with fuel injection, tubular front suspension arms, power steering, hydraulic brakes, and new tires, this Chevelle drives exceptionally well and handles with ease. All necessary bodywork has been completed, and the car is now ready for painting. The owner emphasizes that the Chevelle is a solid, rust-free car. This car is offered for sale at $28,500 or is open to exchange for another vehicle. Currently, it doesn't require significant investments or repairs and is just waiting for its new paint job. With this Chevelle, you'll not only get a classic car with impressive features, but also the opportunity to contribute to its unique appearance, making it truly yours. 2. Currently, you have a unique opportunity to become the owner of a 1957 Ford Thunderbird Convertible, available for purchase at $45,900. This captivating car with a mileage of 29,000 miles is equipped with an automatic transmission and stands out with an elegant black exterior and pristine white interior. The 1957 Thunderbird, featuring a 312 cubic inch V8 engine, is a true work of art. The car comes with a clean title and is fully paid off. Its exterior is complemented by a stylish black porthole hardtop that can be removed for full convertible enjoyment. Additionally, the Thunderbird is equipped with a cooling air conditioner, making trips comfortable even in hot weather. This car also delights with additional details such as side skirts, new Kelsey Hayes wire wheels, and wide white tires, giving it a stylish and classic appearance. Inside, you'll enjoy the luxury of a black and white leather interior. Described as a car with 29,000 miles on the odometer, the Thunderbird is not just a historical artifact, but also a treasure that combines elegance and performance. With no significant damage or issues, this 1957 Thunderbird convertible is ready to recreate the spirit of that era and add a unique style to your drives. 3. I currently have fascinating information about a 1972 Chevrolet Nova, available for purchase at $20,000. This beautiful car with a red exterior and black interior is equipped with an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. The 1972 Nova features a 350 engine and a 350 transmission, along with an upgraded steering and braking system, power steering and drum brakes. The car has undergone several updates, including new rubber hoses and brake cylinders on the front axle, new shocks, a new fuel tank, and an aluminum radiator. Additionally, a new carburetor has been installed, ensuring reliability and efficiency. This Nova is equipped with 15-inch rally wheels with red striped Silvertown tires, giving it a classic and stylish appearance. The body and undercarriage of this car are in excellent condition, making it a reliable and durable vehicle. Although the car's paint has faded in some areas due to many years of use, the car itself still represents an attractive and impressive machine. This 1972 Chevrolet Nova is a wonderful option for those seeking a stylish and reliable classic car that will maintain its character on the roads of time. 4. I am currently presenting you with the opportunity to become the proud owner of a 1952 Ford Custom, offered at $16,000. This magnificent car, painted in a vibrant yellow color with a blue interior, is equipped with an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. The 1952 Ford Custom is in excellent condition, confirmed by a clean title and the absence of significant damages. The car has been carefully preserved, owned by an adult, and has undergone partial modifications, including the addition of a 351 Ford Windsor engine. Paired with an automatic transmission, it ensures excellent performance. The car's interior is in outstanding condition, with an immaculate instrument panel, intact glass, and chrome engine details that give it an elegant appearance. Free from rust, the car features new 14-inch radial tires that enhance maneuverability. The hood and trunk lid are painted to match the body color, giving the car a polished and stylish look. The owner emphasizes that the car has been well maintained and presents an excellent option for driving. This Ford Custom has even participated in several car shows, earning several awards. This car is not just a means of transportation, it is a part of history, embodying style and attention to detail. With its clean engine and subtle chrome accents, it is ready to capture the hearts of new owners and shine both on the roads and at car shows. 5. Allow me to present you with an exciting opportunity to become the owner of a 1971 Pontiac Grandville, offered at $34,900. This impressive car, with a mileage of 70,000 miles, is equipped with an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. Its red exterior and black interior give it a stylish and elegant appearance. This particular specimen was acquired in 1999 when the odometer showed 51,000 miles. The car was stored in Gas City, Indiana. As for the technical specifications of this car, it is fully equipped. It features an SD 455 engine, cruise control, an AM/FM audio system, Comfortron AC, power windows, a gauge package, adjustable steering, and power seats. Additionally, it has a Turbo 400 turbocharged transmission with a shift kit installed. The only missing element is electronic door locks. The engine was extracted and refurbished, and a transmission rebuild was performed after I brought the car home. There are numerous details and amazing stories associated with this memorable car. This 1971 Pontiac Grandville is ready to continue its journey with a new owner who will enjoy not only the comfort and power, but also the unique characteristics of this wonderful automobile. 6. I present to you the opportunity to become the owner of an impressive 1967 Chevrolet Camaro, listed for sale at $37,900. This magnificent car, with a mileage of 48,000 miles, is equipped with an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. Its bright red exterior and black interior give it a stylish and aggressive appearance. This 1967 Camaro is a California car, completely free of rust as it has never been exposed to salt. It is equipped with a working vintage air conditioning system, providing excellent heating. Under the hood, a powerful 350 cubic inch V8 with over 400 horsepower is concealed. Its technical arsenal includes a Holley 750 carburetor, Chevrolet cast turbo heads, a high-performance Performer RPM intake, flat-top TRD pistons, and many other enhancements, making this Camaro a true road monster. The competition engineering design suspension provides excellent handling characteristics, and the B&M transmission with a 300-pound stall, Ford 9 rear end with a 3.89 gear ratio, and disc brakes on all wheels ensure excellent dynamics and safety. This Camaro not only drives and sounds great, but is also fully functional in all respects. The seller notes that all systems are in proper working order, emphasizing the excellent condition of the car. This 1967 Chevrolet Camaro is not just a car. It's a story and power ready to become part of your collection and elevate your adventures to a new level of excitement. 7. Now you have a unique opportunity to become the owner of a 1971 Lincoln Mark III, offered at a price of $3,800. This impressive car, painted in deep black with a matching black interior, is equipped with an automatic transmission and features the original Dove 460 engine, which successfully starts, confirming its functionality. Although the car is not suitable for self-driving due to frozen valve cover leaks and having been idle for about 2 to 3 years, it is still capable of moving. The brakes, despite their softness, have been replaced and only need to be bled again. The car is equipped with an aluminum radiator, Wyand Stealth intake manifold, and Pertronix ignition system. Otherwise, it remains mostly in factory condition. Upon starting, the engine develops an oil pressure of 70 psi, and at hot idle in gear, it's around 20 psi. The engine does not produce strange sounds and does not smoke. This original black car with a black interior features automatic headlight dimming and represents the last model of the Mark III without an emission system. It has a rating of 360 horsepower and 500 pound-feet of torque, which is easily confirmed. Unfortunately, there are issues with rust and bondo in the area of the rear fenders, rear window, and trunk seals. However, the floor, beams, body, and frame are generally in good condition. The interior is also in quite decent condition. This 1971 Lincoln Mark III represents a unique opportunity for those willing to undertake restoration and breathe new life into this classic car, preserving its style and character. 8. I present to you a unique opportunity to become the owner of the magnificent 1975 Cadillac Coupe DeVille, offered at a price of $11,990. This specimen, painted in the vibrant mandarin orange metallic shade with a matching medium mandarin leather interior, is in excellent condition and is ready to captivate you with its style. With a mileage of only 37,603 miles and 2 previous owners, this car perfectly combines distinctive elegance and reliability. It is equipped with a powerful 8.2-liter V8 engine with a displacement of 500 cubic inches, which not only ensures a smooth and comfortable ride, but also operates in conjunction with a functional air conditioning and heating system. The car has undergone a recent tune-up and is fitted with new tires and brakes, emphasizing its relevance and readiness for long adventures. It is important to note that the car is entirely free of rust, confirming its strength and durability. This Cadillac DeVille is not just a car, it is a true work of art that preserves its style and character over time. Don't miss your chance to become the owner of this vintage car that not only attracts attention with its exterior, but also promises an impeccable driving experience. 9. I present to you a unique opportunity to become the owner of the delightful 1982 Oldsmobile 98 Regency, which is available for sale at $10,500. This exceptional car, painted in a noble blue color both on the exterior and interior, is in excellent condition and promises its new owner an unparalleled driving experience. With a mileage of only 24,921 miles, this Oldsmobile 98 Regency surprises with its originality and careful maintenance. The automatic transmission, excellent gasoline engine, pristine interior, and exterior condition all make this car a true find for vintage car enthusiasts. The seller claims that all systems are in working order, and the car requires no additional investment. This Oldsmobile 98 Regency is not just a means of transportation, it is a unique opportunity to acquire a piece of modern classic history. All you need to do is come and take a look at this magnificent car to truly appreciate its beauty and uniqueness. 10. I present to you a unique opportunity to become the owner of the incredible 1972 Ford Pinto, offered at a price of $11,500. This car, painted in an attractive blue color with a black interior, is a true collector's item that not only has a fascinating history, but has also undergone thorough restoration. With a mileage of only 81,523 miles and just 2 previous owners, this Ford Pinto impresses with its condition and careful maintenance. The perfectly functioning 302 cubic inch V8 engine and upgraded C4 transmission add extra dynamism to this car, while the installed front disc brakes and new aluminum radiator enhance its performance and reliability. The seller emphasizes the excellent condition of the body, considering that many similar cars have succumbed to rust. Most of the paint remains original, adding extra charm to this Pinto. The current mileage of 81,000 miles is documented in a clean service report. This 1972 Ford Pinto is not just a car, it is a historical artifact that combines unique style and performance. Don't miss your chance to become the proud owner of this unique car that brings joy not only to its owner, but also to onlookers on the road.